Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to report a bug on your Snapchat app. So if you find a bug on anywhere on your Snapchat app, you can report it by using this feature of a Snapchat. So it is very easy. If you want to report a bug, first you need to screenshot that bug. Like if you see a bug on videos, or if you see a bug on friends or any section of Snapchat, you will need to take a screenshot, and after taking a screenshot you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of a screen. And now there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the setting option at the top right, and here you need to scroll down, and after scrolling you will see a option called feedback. Here you will see that a option, I spotted a bug. Click on it. Now here you need to choose that on which category you will find a bug, like in camera, friend, games, memory, profile, search, setting, etc. So we will select friends. Now here you need to explain what type of bug you find. You need to we will add a bug. I had find a bug in friend list. Okay, I had find a bug. Just I had added that I had find a bug. Now here you need to select the category, like where you find the bug. We had selected a category, and here you can attach a screenshot also, and after this you need to click on submit. After submitting, you will a report will be submitted to Snapchat team, and they will fix that bug as soon as possible. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to report a bug on your Snapchat app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.